Welcome to Med Guide. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to stretch your back to get relief from back pain. Your back is prone to injury. You can twist it, wrench it, or even just sleep on it funny. If your back muscles aren't stretched regularly, they are far more likely to get hurt. Stretching your back regularly can help keep your muscles flexible, which will help prevent strain and back pain. You can stretch your back while doing yoga, exercising at home or in the gym, or even right in your office. Step 1. Do the cat pose. Get down on your knees and place your hands in front of you with your palms on the ground. Make sure that your fingers are pointed away from you. Then move your head down and your spine up while rounding out your back and stretching out your spine. Step 2. Transform your cat pose into a dog pose. Start from the cat pose, on your hands and knees with a rounded spine, hands flat with fingers pointing away from you. Slowly straighten your back and then keep going until your spine is concave and you are looking up. Hold for 5 seconds, then transition back to cat pose. The gentle tension and release in the spine helps to increase flexibility and to ease lower back pain. The dog exercise is also known as the cow exercise in yoga. Step 3. Do the crocodile pose. To do this pose, you should lie flat on your stomach and then bend your elbows and place your palms under your armpits. Then gently push up your chest and upper body until your chest is a few feet up from the ground. The crocodile pose, particularly if you practice yogic breathing as you perform the exercise, will help to decrease feelings of anxiety in addition to stretching the back. Step 4. Do the hero pose. Sit down with your legs bent at the knees and your calves and feet at your sides, with the soles of your feet facing up. The big toe of each foot should be touching or just an inch or two away from your sides. Place your hands on your lap. The hero pose, as well as stretching your lower back, will relieve tired legs at the end of a long day. Step 5. Do an upward facing hip twist. This exercise twists the lower body in the opposite direction of the upper body, lengthening and flexing the spine. First, lie down on your back and then bend your left knee up and move it over to your right side. Keep your arms flat on the ground and look up, or even look to your left for an extra stretch. As you twist your body from side to side, make sure to use a slow and fluid motion to avoid injury. Keep your abdominal muscles contracted to support your back muscles. Step 6. Do a stability ball back extension. With this exercise, you will drape your body over an exercise ball before stretching to extend your back. Drape yourself over the ball so your stomach and pelvis are comfortably resting. Then place your hands behind your head, as if you were doing a sit-up, and stretch your body upward, making your back concave. This stability ball provides extra support and helps the spine to curve naturally, as you stretch your back. Step 7. Do a 90/90 neutral back stretch. This stretch helps you to relax both your back and your hamstrings. First, lie flat on your back and place your legs together. Then, lift your knees up so that your thighs are perpendicular to the ground while your shins are parallel to the ground. Keep your arms at your sides as you feel the stretch in your back. Step 8. Do a sitting spinal twist. This exercise requires you to sit on the floor and to twist your upper body to either side at the waist, stretching the back. First, sit down with your legs stretched out. Then, tuck in your left knee until it faces up and then move it over your right thigh. Keep your right leg extended while your left knee is facing upwards, and twist to your left side. Place your right elbow to the side of your left knee to intensify the stretch. Hold the stretch for at least 20 seconds and repeat it on your other side. Focus on stretching your body upward as well as to the left or right. If you're stretching to the left, try looking over your left shoulder for a bonus. Follow the same process on your right side. Step 9. Do an upper spinal rotation. Performing this stretch will help you to increase the flexibility of your upper back. Breathe deeply during the exercise, expanding the lower kidney area of the back as the lower rib cage opens up. Step 10. Do the seal pose in pilots. This seal pose requires good flexibility and should be avoided if you have a back injury. However, for those in good condition, this seal pose will round out the lower back while strengthening the abdominal muscles. First, sit down on the ground, then bend your knees. Lift your legs until your thighs are almost vertical to the ground with your shins pointed outward. Place your feet together but create a space between your shins and thighs. Then, move your forearms through the space between your thighs, tuck them under your calves, and reach out to wrap them around your ankles. Hold this pose for at least 20 seconds if you feel comfortable with it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and subscribe my guide for more videos.